GAF boosted with assortment of non-lethal military materials by the Republic of Turkey TC Banjul Büyükelçiliği. The Gambia Armed Forces GAF on Wednesday the 20th of September 2023 received assortment of donated non-lethal military items from the Republic of Turkey through its embassy in Banjul. The presentation and handing over ceremony was held at the Defense Headquarters in Banjul. During the handing over of the donated items, the ambassador of Turkey to the Gambia Tolga Burmak asserted that the ceremony marked a significant milestone in the bilateral and military cooperation between Ankara and Banjul. He posited that the long-existing relationship enjoyed by the two countries has made it possible for Turkey to always come to the aid of the Gambia as part of its foreign policy requirements in maintaining and supporting international peace and security around the globe. The ambassador underscored the need to support the GAF in its planning and preparation in contributing towards the maintenance of international peace and security stabilization, and that this can only be done through capacity building and logistic support. He thanked the governments of the two countries for the adorable and continuing bilateral relationship. The Chief of Defense Staff Gambia Armed Forces, Lieutenant General Yakuba Drama remarked that the donated items will go a long way in realizing GAF's aims and objectives in its preparedness to exhibit an exemplary professional performance when called to duty in any United Nations peace support operations around the world. He hailed the Republic of Turkey and by extension its armed forces for the support rendered to GAF over the years, maintained that the donated items shall be used for their intended purpose. The CDS also thanked the Turkish Armed Forces through its government in Ankara for always giving capacity building and logistic support to the Gambia Armed Forces. He underlined that 2 batches of 250 personnel from the Gambia Armed Forces underwent 3 months vigorous military training in one of the best military schools in Turkey in 2021 to better prepare for any peace support operation. As the Gambia participation in the UN peacekeeping arena has always been monumental. He alluded that the Turkish Armed Forces has always been a strategic, genuine and predictable partner to the GAF in the area of military cooperation. He added that the Gambia as a country with its armed forces has been recognized by the international community that has made it possible for the United Nations to give a crucial role to GAF as a quick reaction force in any UN peace support operation. Deputizing for the Honorable Minister of Defense, the Honorable Minister of Interior, Mr. Sayaka Sonko, thanked the government of the Republic of Turkey for its sustained support to the GAF in particular and the Gambia government in general. He mentioned that Turkey has been and is always a strategic and a genuine partner to the Gambia way back in 1991, where Turkey gives logistic and capacity building support to the Gambia Armed Forces. He also applauded the continuing mutual and bilateral relations between the two countries. Donated items included to armored personnel carriers APC, HF radios, mine detectors, sportwears, uniforms, winter jackets, raincoats and combat boots amongst others. In attendance were the National Security Advisor Abubakar Sulaiman Jang, Deputy Chief of Defense Staff GAF, Commander Gambia National Army GNA, the Turkish Military Advisor to the Gambia, staff officers, soldiers and ratings from both defense and joint headquarters.